Are you a busy woman who's feeling a little overwhelmed, a little stressed out? Well, you know what? You're in luck as I created this video to help you. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to share a quick relaxation practice that will help you right now. It will help you relax, it'll help you focus, it'll help you feel at peace and increase your productivity. Because I know you're busy, and I also have an EFT practice session that will help you create the most amazing day that you can use every morning. Just drop me a DM and I will send you the link. If you don't know me, my name is Denise Eckert, and I'm the host of the Relaxation Lounge. My goal is to help busy women like yourself reduce the daily stress in your life. You know, when you start feeling that overwhelm and you go down that rabbit hole and the stress gets worse and worse, that's what I want to help you avoid. So over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through one of the most powerful and quickest, easiest practices that will help you refocus, bring you calmness, and just help you feel better. To the practice, I'm going to walk you through a gratitude practice. It'll make you feel warm and fuzzy inside. I just love doing this one. Now, you can either write this down, say it out loud, or say it in your head. And I want you to think of 5 things you're grateful for. It can be very simple, things like clean water, food in your fridge, roof over your head, healthy children, a warm bed to sleep in. Very, very simple. I just want you to think of 5, and I'm going to walk you through it. I want you to think of the first one, the second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. And I want you to take a nice deep breath and think of the 5 things that you're grateful for. And put both hands on your heart. Just take a nice deep breath and think of those 5 things. Now, how do you feel? As I mentioned, I have an amazing EFT practice session that will help you create your most amazing day ever that you can use every morning. Just drop me a line and I'll send you the link. So leaving you with a gentle reminder to slow down and enjoy your life. Until next time.